Hello, I hope you are staying safe. It's Throwback Monday on Mackenzie Comedy. Enjoy this one.
Assistant and carpenter.
Aba Umaya.
Adamawa, Yola. Akwa Ibom, Uyo.
Anambra Oka.
Bauchi,
Oh, you people are making noise. I keep quiet. Can't you see I'm reading? Ha.
Listen boys, Chukwemeka.
Samuel, Daniel,
Precious.
Chidirim, Chimobi.
Oh, you people should keep quiet now. You are making noise. Is that how you disturb your parents at home? Ngwan.
I come from a chicken family. My father will be a cock, my mother will be a hen, then I'll be a chick.
If I come from a sheep family, my father will be a ram, my mother will be an ewe, and I will be a lamb. If I come from a lion family, my father will be a lion, my mother will be a lioness, then I will be a cub.
If I come from a dog family, my father will be a dog, my mother will be a bitch, then I'll be a puppy.
Puppy bukwe eba.
You close your mouth. Cho. Okay. If you come from a stupid family,
Jesus.
Your father is an idiot, your mother is a fool, what will you be?
Then I'll be your daughter.
Yeah.
Hello, thanks for watching our very funny Mackenzie Comedy. See you next Friday. Please, children, don't insult your elder ones. This comedy is not for insulting. It's not insulting anyone.